Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Diablo IV Vessel of Hatred, only way. Begin by picking skills that grant curses and on-hit effects, then focus on cooldown reduction and attack speed. Use vessel windows to unleash your strongest combos, and weave defensive moves between bursts to stay alive. Practice rotation until you can open and close fights quickly, keeping minions controlled and resource management steady for longer encounters. Start your rotation by applying your main curse, then build into your primary spender while Vessel of Hatred charges. Use a mobility skill to dodge major telegraphs and reposition for safer casts. When Vessel activates, chain your highest damage abilities quickly, then fall back to sustain spells while Vessel cools down. Practice this loop until it becomes natural, and adjust the order for your chosen gear and talents to maximize damage. Aim for gear that amplifies burst potential and survivability simultaneously. Weapons and jewelry with attack speed, cooldown reduction, and crit stats boost vessel efficiency, while leech and resistances keep you standing during long pulls. Socket useful sapphires or runes that enhance your main damage type, and upgrade items that fill gaps in your defensive profile. Continually refine stats rather than swapping pieces for minor raw damage increases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.